Hi there and welcome. This is Dr. Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. How many of your English learners freeze when it's time to speak? They know the grammar, they can read quite well, and they can even write and understand spoken English, but the moment they open their mouth, nothing comes out or they start fumbling for words. I've seen this thousands of times. So I decided to build something that can help learners practice speaking with more confidence in minutes and without writing a single line of code. Today, I'm really excited because I'm going to show you how Enter.pro can help turn an idea into a real app. I've already created the speaking practice app, but I want to take you through the process and show you what is possible. The app I created is for learners of English who want to improve their speaking. Speaking, as you know, is one of the biggest challenges for many English learners. They may understand grammar, they may read, listen, complete exercises, write, or even understand videos or conversations. But when it comes to speaking, they hesitate. They may be afraid of making mistakes. They may not be happy with the pronunciations. They may not have enough opportunities to practice. They may not know what to say. They may need more confidence, more feedback, and more chances to use English in a safe and supportive way. As teachers, trainers, and course creators, we know how important speaking practice is. Learners need real situations, useful language, encouragement, and support. That is why I created a speaking practice app, not a website or a landing page. I wanted to create an app that supports real practice for learners and also gives teachers a way to support their practice. I was able to do that with Enter.pro. But first, what exactly is Enter.pro and its AI agent? An AI agent is not just a chatbot or a simple automation. Think of it as an intelligent assistant that can understand your goal, plan the steps, and then carry them out for you from start to finish. That's Enter.pro. Traditional tools make you do all the work. You design, you code, you deploy, and you connect services. An AI agent works alongside you every step of the way, like a developer, a designer, and a project manager all in one. Enter.pro is exactly that kind of AI agent. It does not just generate code. It owns the entire stack, including design, AI, cloud, and payments. You describe what you want in natural language, then Enter.pro's agent figures out the rest. It plans, it builds, it deploys. That is what makes it different from other prototype generators. You are not getting a mock-up. You are getting a real working product built by an AI agent that understands your teaching needs, and that's so important for educators. With Enter.pro, I can start with an idea in natural language. I don't have to start with any coding. I do not have to build everything from scratch. I can describe what I want, and Enter.pro helps plan, build, and deploy the app. So let's go into Enter.pro and look at how I created the speaking practice app. I added the prompt for Enter.pro. And what I like about the process is that I can start as an educator. I can focus on the learning need first. I know what learners need, and Enter.pro helps turn that idea into something real. Enter.pro then created the app, and I continued, of course, the conversation as it followed my requests. This is the part that makes Enter.pro exciting for educators, trainers, and course creators. Many of us have ideas for tools that could help our learners, but we may not have the technical skills or the time to build them from scratch. Enter.pro makes the process feel much more accessible. Now that the app has been created, let's take a look at the layout. Here we can see that Enter.pro has created a working structure for the speaking practice app. There is a learner area, speaking tasks, feedback, and progress tracking. I'm in as a learner, going to go into topics, introductions, practice, read everything that's here, and there is a lot of information. Useful words I can use, what to do, record a 1-minute introduction, and start. Now notice I also get a teleprompt here. Introduce yourself, you are meeting a person, I get the role play, I get information on what to say your name, where you're from, and so on, and then start useful phrases. My name is, I'm from, I work as, and then keywords that I can use. My name is Nellie Deutsch. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I work as an English language teacher. In my free time, I enjoy cooking. Now notice as I do this, notice the live script. You can see it happening as I speak. I can also edit, and if I wish, I can add my own script. I will submit my work, but only after I stop the recording. Notice quick reflection. Did you feel nervous? Yes. And submit my response. Great job. Your score is 98 out of 100. That's great. First of all, a breakdown, a review, 98 out of 100. Time, 52 seconds. Words, confidence. I can play it and listen to it. My name is Nellie Deutsch. The content coverage, grammar, pronunciation, and then your speech. Notice my name is, and all these highlighted words that I covered. Grammar check, no grammar errors. What I did well, which is important instead of just going over the mistakes. Pronunciation tips, practice these words. And I can practice, notice here, start speaking and say this. And then practice various sounds as well. And then I can also improve my score and try a new topic. Not going to show you how to improve my work right now, but that's my work. And then the progress, notice here, 3 minutes so far. I don't have any days streak, but I should. Task done, 2 so far. And then the grade trend, weekly speaking minutes, if there are any, confidence, growth, submission status, all grades, and my submissions. Notice the levels as well, because all the topics are based on levels from A1, B1 to advanced, B2, A2, and various topics, as you can see, from public speaking in the advanced, daily routines, the lower levels, and the English classroom. Also teacher prompts, technology, well-being, careers, hobbies, opinions, and of course, role plays. I just love this, and you will too. I can review the layout, see what works, and make changes at all times. That's important because the first version does not have to be perfect. Just start. Just start. That's the first step. The idea is to start with something useful and then improve it. But under the hood, something powerful is happening. Enter.pro uses a unified, all supports model capabilities, including LLM, image, video, TTS, and music. For a speaking app, that means I can add voice recognition, pronunciation feedback, and even AI-powered conversation partners without juggling 5 different services. This is what I like about building with Enter.pro. You can begin with a teaching problem, describe the app you want, and then continue adjusting it until it fits your learners and your teaching context. For English teachers, this opens up many, many possibilities. You can create a speaking practice app. You could create a vocabulary app. You could create a writing feedback app. You could create a pronunciation practice app. You could create a teacher training tracker. You could create a dashboard for your course or learning program. And there are many more ideas that I'm sure you'll come up with. The important thing is that you start with a real need, not with a template. Enter.pro gives you the technical foundation. You bring the teaching expertise. For me, speaking practice is a wonderful place to start because many learners want to improve their speaking, but they do not always get enough opportunities to practice. Teachers know what learners struggle with. Trainers know what teachers need. Course creators know what kind of support learners are missing. Enter.pro turns these ideas into working apps. That is what makes this tool so incredible. It's not only about creating something that looks good, it's about creating something that is useful. This speaking app is just one example, but it shows what is possible. If you're an English teacher, English trainer, teacher trainer, Moodle teacher, course creator, or language school owner, think about your own learners. What kind of app would support them? What kind of app would make your teaching easier? What kind of app could help your learners outside of class? If you're an educator with an idea that could help your learners, don't just keep it in your head. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Start building with Enter.pro and get 200 free credits to turn your teaching idea into a real app. I'm looking forward to seeing your ideas in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. I hope this gave you ideas for creating a speaking practice app for learners of English with Enter.pro. If you would like to try Enter.pro, check the link in the description of this video. You can also use the link in the pinned comment to sign up and get 200 free credits.